There you go, guys. There you have it. Gotta add a straw.
Yeah.
Bang. I'm your host, Ray.
And this is Max.
And this is Drunk Words, Drunk Thoughts. Today we're going to be showing you how to make this. This is the mint rocket. Our take on a rocket, little mint twist. You'll see in a moment. I want to make the first layer. That's going to be your blue layer. So we're going to start. We've got our cup here. For mixing, again, to reintroduce our little $30 Ninja thing. Quietest blender in the world, you know?
Right.
In the world.
Yeah.
So, let's go ahead and represent and jump right in, alright?
Right.
What are we going to start with, Max?
So we're starting with the blue Caroso. It's going to be 2 ounces.
2 ounces of that, correct. Yeah. So, once again, Max is going to be our bartender here for you guys.
Getting better at this, hopefully.
So, like Max said, a little more.
More?
We're going to start with 2 ounces of the blue. Next up, we want 1 cup of lemonade. We got our cup measurement here. Mine the little piggies.
Here.
Perfect. Gonna fill the rest with ice here. What you're gonna want is about 1.5 cups of ice on all 3 of these layers.
Yep.
Just to give you that consistency you want. For us, we've got little lines inside, so just trust me when I say it's 1.5 cups. Okay. Okay, screw it on there. There you go, sir.
All right, thank you.
All right, hit that, smack it. And there you go, pour that in. Excellent, so we got layer 1 complete right here for you guys. That's the blue layer. Next up, layer 2. So layer 2 starts with what, Max?
Starts with...
Correct, 1/2 cup of lemonade.
Cup. Can I use that small one instead? Not that fizzy. Yep.
Perfect. And we got 1/2 cup of these cool little coolers that you can buy, Smirnoff coolers. Good. We're good.
Don't mind the color because it will all turn white.
Exactly. Now for something that makes it a little bit different, we're going to do 1 ounce of creme de menthe, white creme de menthe here. Hence the name.
Oh. There you go.
There you go. Excellent, give you that back. Again, we're going to put about 1.5 cups of ice here. It wants to cooperate with me. Go ahead, stop that on. Good, yeah. Okay, sweet. There's layer 2 done.
Yep.
Layer 1, layer 2. Alright, now for the 3rd and final layer.
Yep.
Our red layer. Alright, so Max, what are we going to start with?
So we're starting with the Smirnoff. So it's going to be 1.5 cups.
1.5 cups, yep.
Got the 1/2 in here. Switch this up. Just enough.
Perfect. Strawberries, we're using our frozen sliced strawberries here. It's going to be 1 cup of those. Okay. Brilliant. We'll cut those. And then, as always, our 1.5 cups of ice. Oh yeah, that's looking good, eh?
Yep, it's good. It's good.
There you go, sir.
Yep. One last thing. Before I forget.
Oh yes, crucial. 1 tablespoon of sugar.
Otherwise, yeah.
You want to get that flavor.
You know? Yeah, I learned from last time.
Didn't spill it this time.
Yes. Hey.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Give it that bartender shake, you know?
All right.
A little bit.
Yeah, do it up.
Sure it's on there. There you go.
All right, thank you. Should tap it.
There you go, guys. That's your layer number 3 right there. The red.
Go.
Now at this point it's important to know that what we're going to do is we're going to actually chill all 3 of these layers for 20 minutes in the freezer.
Yep.
So we're going to go ahead and do that. Follow us after the cut. Alright guys, thanks for joining us back. So we've got our ingredients, they've chilled now for 20 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and mix this up for you. So you want to start with the blue.
Yep.
Should be a little bit of a slushy-like consistency. There you go, that's pretty nice. Brilliant. And we got our white. Okay, and finally we've got our red. There you go, guys. There you have it.
So,
Gotta add a straw?
yeah.
Okay. Done. Why don't you try it out, Max? Tell us how it tastes.
Yep. Yep. Pretty awesome.
Pretty good?
awesome. Pretty
Why don't you
awesome.
tell us what the tastes are?
So, it tastes a bit like a rocket, but we have a little like flavor to it, which is like the mint that we had in the white layer. It makes it kind of special-ish. Bit of strawberry as well. And we also get the lemonade, obviously, from the middle. And blue Caruso kind of tastes like a bit of blueberries.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. This has been your host, Ray.
And this is Max.
And this is Drunk Words, Drunk Thoughts. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and what do we do with the bell?
Bing! We hit the bell.
Exactly. Guys, we're going to be dropping videos for you every Sunday, so feel free to subscribe if you haven't already.
And stay tuned.
And we're out.